In this video, let's talk about modifying an existing template. I make the decision that the changes I'm making to this template are pretty minor and I don't need to create a new template. I might have the decision to make some major changes to it, in which case I'd want to create a new template and keep this template the way it is. But in this video, I'm just going to add a layer, and that's a minor change. I just want to keep it in the same template, just update the template. So I'm going to tell Traverse PC that I want to look at the layers. And I see that in addition to the Traverse PC layers that have the asterisk here, I've got a zero layer, background layer, and leaders layer. Okay, and I want to put in a layer for some certain text that I want to do. So I'm going to tell Traverse PC I want to add a layer. I'm going to call it text. So now this layer is going to be in the drawing, and I could simply make it the current layer. In fact, I'll do that. Just tell Traverse PC I want that to be the current layer in here. And that's going to be available then for me to put some other text on. And maybe this text that I have in here, I can move to that layer, or I just want to select that layer later on. Those of you that want to do this, you could go into View, Customize View, and Toolbars. And Traverse PC actually has a Layers toolbar I can turn on. So it shows me my current layer, and I can select from any of the layers here that I want to choose for that. Okay, so I've added that layer to this particular drawing, and now I want to go to Tools, Save Drawing as a Template, and I want to overload this mortgage template that I have. So I'm going to save. Traverse PC asked me if I want to replace it, and I said yes. And now let's create another drawing here. And let this one be drawing 4. We're going to base it on this mortgage template. We're going to bring that drawing up. And now if I go to layers, and I can also access layers just by right-clicking, I've got my text layer here. I see that the template didn't retain it as the current layer, but it did retain the text layer. And so it'd be real easy for me to come in then and say, okay, I want to use the text layer now, and the new objects that I add manually are going to go onto that layer. So for whatever reason, whether it's adding a layer, adding some text, maybe it's just moving some of these pieces around because I want the scale bar back up here by the north arrow. Whatever reason it is, if you've made those changes and you say, I want to keep those changes from now on, either go to the toolbar or right-click and go to Tools, Save Drawing as a Template, and simply select the template that you started with and replace it. And now I've just updated that template.